Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for joining me and the entire Happy crew for another video. I'm so excited because all the spring boxes are starting to come. Love it. Love when the spring boxes are coming in. So I just shared with you my Vino spring box, and today I have my FabFitFun spring box. Yay! Look at all the pretty flowers. I feel like I'm color coordinated a bit today. Love my FabFitFun boxes. This is a seasonal subscription, $49.99 a month. You get a discount if you sign up for the entire year, which is what I did. That also gives you early access for customizations. There's always customization, so you get to get in early and pick and choose your items, and you can choose add-ins. So if you like a couple of the options you can choose from for customization, so let's say there's two and you can't decide, then you can generally pick two, plus you can also shop their store and get extras. And I actually have two add-ins here to share with you as well. Lots of goodies. Generally, your box is valued at $200 or more for the $49.99 price tag, and this is a lifestyle subscription. So let's get right into my box. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm so happy you're here. I would love it if you would hang out for the long haul and hit that subscribe. We do unboxings and clothing hauls and reviews, lots of fun stuff, and I try to do it each and every day. The sidekicks almost always are involved in some way, but generally their job is just to look adorable. Right, Wyatt? I'm Laura. This is Wyatt. Xena is the brown puppy dog who is trying to make a break for it right now. I do have a discount code for FabFitFun if you want to give this lifestyle box a try. If you use my link down below, you will get $10 off your subscription. Okay. So let's dig right in here. Here's what I see as soon as I open my box. Right off the bat, I'm seeing stickers. Let's see, it says FabFitFun, grow forth, yay. It's your time to bloom. There's flowers. Lots of fun little stickers here. Grow forth, FabFitFun. I have one discount code here for $15 off your first FabFitFun. So I will put this code down below, and the first one to grab it, it's yours. Okay, then you always get a book. This will tell you all about the products that you could have gotten in your box. It does vary. It's based on the customizations that you choose. Also, your preferences. You do fill out a profile. So some of these products are chosen for you based on the selections you made in your profile. But there's always lots of good information in here. There's a long editor's note, and then they'll talk about all the items that you could get in your box. All right, let's see here. First up, what did I get? There is Perricone MD Essential FX Acyl Glutathione. I don't know. I'm just going to say it's rejuvenating moisturizer. So let's see what it says here. A nutrient-packed moisturizer with a rich velvety texture that deeply moisturizes yet absorbs quickly without any residual grease or stickiness. Let me see what it says about it in my book. So this one went to all members, it says, and it has a value of $98. It doesn't give any more of a description than what I already read to you. So this is a full size. It's 1 full ounce. And if I can dig into it to show you what it looks like, it smells fabulous. Has a nice creamy texture. Yeah, I like it. I have to figure out how to say the words in this, but it looks really nice. We'll see what it feels like on. All right, we could all use some extra moisture right about now, right? All right, next up, this is by Marina. This is Earth Harbor Biome Brightening. It is named for the treasured ocean blue botanicals that she possesses. She harbors concentrated adaptogenic oils that vigorously brighten and balance for an even, radiant complexion. This is a FabFitFun pick. And this is valued at $38. Check out that. It's an oil. And it says the oil features why can't I say words today? Spirulina. Can't speak. And blue tansy to vigorously brighten and balance the skin. Spirulina. Help me today. Oh, wow. Okay. We need to get to words I can pronounce. How about that? Ahava. Time to Clear Refreshing Cleansing Gel. That's next. And this was a annual member's choice. So if you're an annual member, you got this one. The Ahava Refreshing Facial Cleansing Gel is mineral infused gel cleanser, removes makeup while hydrating and cleansing the skin, $24. I love Ahava. These are great products, so I'm glad to get that one. What else? Hopefully something I can pronounce. This is by Josie Moran, 100% pure argan oil. I love that you always get the full-size products. This one is all members. So treat your skin and hair to a blend of essential fatty acids, vitamin E, and antioxidants. And this one is $49. I wonder if this one smells nice. It does have a very light smell to it. Very light. I think I just touched my nose. And it's just argan oil. That's all that's in here. One ingredient, argan oil. So it's a multitasking moisturizer that works wonders on skin, hair, and nails. First, cold pressed to protect its healthy hydrating properties and ideal for all skin types, especially dry and sensitive. Okay. What else have we got? I like this. Sun's Out, Pouts Out. Infused with Sika and honeysuckle flower extract. This is 4 pieces of gold foiled lip mask. That is awesome. This was a FabFitFun pick, valued at $16. Kiss dry lips goodbye. Botanical extracts deeply hydrate and condition the lips for a smoother pout in minutes. How fun is that? So you just put on the lips, leave on for 10 to 15 minutes, remove the mask, and gently massage in any excess product into the skin. No need to rinse. Cool. I love it. All right. So a couple more in my box. What is this? Or a few more. These look like reusable beauty rounds. So these are also a FabFitFun pick. And it says these are valued at $15. They're reusable beauty rounds. Ditch your makeup wipes for these reusable rounds, cotton rounds. So I just got something like this in my Look Fantastic box as well. I should be set. Let me see if I can get into this and show you what they look like. These look very soft. It's a 3-pack, and here's what they look like. Now the ones that I got in my Look Fantastic set, I did not need to use any soap or anything, so I'm wondering if the same thing would work here. All right, something heavy. What is this? This is an aloe infused gel lined sock and pumice stone. This is an all annual members got this, valued at $40. Slip on these aloe infused terry socks for noticeably softer feet. The value is $40. Here's the pumice stone. Here is these fun socks. They even have grippers on the bottom, and check out the inside. It feels amazing. Is anyone else's feet all cracked like mine? Yes, I need to get them summer sandal ready, right? That's awesome. And I have one more thing in my box before I show you my couple add-ons that I ordered. Verso Super Eye Serum. Okay, so I need this. I love an eye serum. This one is to all members, and it's valued at $65. Energize tired skin around the eye and target signs of aging with retinol 8. All right, I can't wait to try this. Perfect. And that's all the items inside my box. So $49.99 value. I did do the annual option, so I got a little bit of a discount off of that. Don't forget, I have a link down below to get $10 off your subscription. So if you're interested in this box, use my link down below. Awesome. Love my products. The eye serum, this awesome gel lined socks with the pumice stone, which I desperately need. The makeup beauty rounds. I have the Ahava cleansing gel, lip masks, rejuvenizing moisturizer, the pure argan oil, which is awesome, as well as this marina oil. All right, and that's everything that just came in my box. Then I have 2 more add-ons that I chose, which I thought this first thing was awesome. This is by Tech Candy, and it's a UV sanitizer. Do you see that? So you throw your cell phone or whatever you want in there, but they use the example of the cell phone right inside there, and it UV sanitizes it. Cool, right? And I think this was an extra, like when they say pick between 1 and 2, like pick these items, I added it, and I think I only paid $15 more to get it. And it says about it, let's see, kills up to 99% of common germs in just 5 minutes. So here's what it looks like. You just put the item right in there. This must be how you plug it in or charge it. And it's supposed to, and here's the like UV lights up here, sanitizes it. So I thought that's something we could all use right now. How cool is that? So easy, it's compact and tiny. All right, so that was the first add-on, and you could get it in your box, right? If you selected it, you didn't have to do it as an add-on. You could just get it. And then the other item that I did as an add-on was Pure Iconic Glow. Let me see what it says about it. The value of the Tech Candy UV sanitizer was $60, and I'm pretty sure I only paid $15 for it. So awesome, right? Okay, the Pure Iconic Glow, $28 is the value. It's a face and body dry oil, and you apply the antioxidant rich oil to your face and body for a radiant shimmer. So I love the idea of this, that it would add a little bit of a shimmer. So let's take a look at it. See that? How awesome is that? I love the idea, especially whenever spring and summer starts to come and you just want to get just a tiny bit of sparkle. Let's see if it actually adds shimmer. Just a tiny bit. Can you guys see that? Hopefully it's coming. I can see it. I'm not sure if you guys can. I feel like maybe you need like sunlight. I don't know. Hopefully it's coming across. It adds just a tiny bit of sparkle, and you could probably add a little bit more based on how much you want to sparkle. So I thought it might be nice for like the chest, maybe your arms, wherever you want to put it, but that's why I got it. Yeah, I had a little bit more. Hopefully you guys can see that. And that's everything. So let me know what you thought. I will put all the information down below. I love doing the FabFitFun boxes. I love that it's springtime, and I'm so glad you spent time with me today. Please comment down below. I hope you had an awesome time with me today, and hit that like if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more. Love you to hit that subscribe button. If you already have, thank you, thank you, thank you. And until next time, bye everybody.